Thane, a city seen as a silent powerhouse in the Mumbai metropolitan region. From its rich history to its growing economic significance, Thane is an epicenter of the Shiv Sena's legacy battle. The 20th November election will be the ultimate decider of the Sena versus Sena battle. The most intense fights between Eknath Shinde's and Uddhav Thackeray's factions is in the Thane, Konkan and Mumbai metropolitan region. In 2019, of the 75 seats in this region, the undivided Shiv Sena won 29, while its partner the BJP bagged 27 seats, taking the overall NDA tally to 56. It's 10 a.m. and this group of senior citizens in Panchpakhadi area are about to go home after their chai and gup-shup post the morning walk. 75-year-old TP Bendre, a retired SBI officer, and 87-year-old Madhukar Rajgadkar, a former IT official, are concerned about rising corruption. What are your thoughts about this election?
Candidate should be competent enough, and he should take entire care of the Thane city, cleanliness. Actually, Thane is keeping cleanliness in a good form. That is true, but transportation is bad. And we want such a candidate who will look to the multi-sided development of Thane.
Okay, so that's your concern about the development of the city in terms of cleanliness.
Yes.
What are your concerns, sir?
My concern is we should have a stable government. It should not hanky-panky for some time this people, sometime other people. It should be firm government and which will looking for the development of the not only the city, India, and it should become number one in the world. India should be number one in the world.
You are of the opinion that stability is key. A government should complete full 5 years in office.
Exactly, definitely. 5 years they should complete, and it should be seen should be that like that it is very much different from today. We should be the number one in the world. That he should take this government as well as the other government in the center. Both should be work in hand and should take India to the first stage.
And you know, as those who have seen several summers and winters, what change do you see from the past to now?
Only we should not talk about past. The government should say that what they are going to do, what they have done. Previous government, abusing previous government is a fashion nowadays of a political person. Or whatever it is, it comes to the common citizen also. He will also say that this my senior has not done this thing. And what you are going to do it. No, why, how you are abusing, by abusing previous people or past people, you are not going to progress and you are not going to do any service to the government. You see first your stability, what you can do for the people, not by only giving promises. Nowadays we have seen all these promises during election period, every party is giving. This is all nonsense. Nothing will be materialized by them.
We want honest, sincere and competent representatives.
Right from 51 election. I have opportunity to say I was a child at that time, but I have seen the 51 election. When I am 37 born, I know what was first election of India. And what were the people those days, what they have done, they have not done for their own. They have done for the nation. Whatever they have done, wrong or right. And their aim was that only in the freedom. What these people contributed so far for the nation, they should compare with them. Not that by simply abusing, you cannot compare yourself or prove yourself.
Definitely I am not agreeing with him because see the railway network that time, it is today. Today we have 100% electricity, electrified railway tracks are there, and so a lot of development is taken for the infrastructure also. But see you will find a lot of change from 2014 and definitely it is there.
Prepared by them. Base was somebody's. Foundation is who did foundation.
See, foundation means क्या? If you take the कुम्हार का ले लेंगे तो एक मिट्टी बनाता है, लेकिन उसके वो ऊपर जो बनाता है तो बाद में तो बाकी subsequently some other people do. Or if there are stages, initial stage is there, okay, just making that the clay. But उसका pot बनाने का तो दूसरा करता है कि उसका different stage is there. So no doubt they have done, but further people have taken development to the topper level. See what today India is there. See, there are a lot of efforts of these people also is there. So without these efforts, you can't say कि नहीं, only the old people have done. Definitely their contribution is there, but it doesn't matter that these people have not done.
Was selfless and sacrifice was there. Nowadays sacrification is less and this taking credit is more.
Previous governments have shown the strides of progress that one has to accept it.
And basic progress, what amenities were prepared by them, their foundation was made by them, then only how many hill stations are, as I say, the Britishers, they also not done. India may, how many hill stations are available? All they are done by Britishers. What neither previous people nor these people have done.
That's all.
बताओ, होगा तो एक आधा आप बताइए.
Hill station, अगर latest people have done, Lavasa is the one of the example.
Only Indian people have done. Whatever it is, it may be wrong. Lavasa is the only, what he says I agree. Lavasa is the only one who has been done by these new ancient people.
So overall senior citizen seems to be happy, or are you worried about the future of the country?
Future is good, provided there is change in leadership असं म्हणत नाही मी, कारण leadership is already there. But a corrupt leadership, corruption is along with Indian blood. It is in the Indian.
Corruption is rampant.